Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then hit on Screen Time. After that, scroll down and here you can find Use Screen Time Passcode. If that link says Set Screen Time Passcode, you can hit on that and set a Screen Time Passcode for your device. Once you did that, you can hit Add Content and Privacy Restrictions and then hit on Allowed Apps. Right there, you can enable or disable using apps at your device. That's actually Apple apps. So let's say I don't want to allow Safari to be opened. As you can see, Safari icon is right here now. And in that simple way, I can hit at that switcher to toggle it off. And if I go back to my home screen, there are no more Safari icon. I can open up search and I'll try to search for Safari. And as you can see, I can't find the Safari web browser anymore, just Safari settings. In that simple way, you can allow or not allow for Apple apps to be shown at your home screen. Also, you can go back and enter content restrictions. There, tap at Apps and right here, in that simple way, you can send age rating for the apps to be opened on your device. So if that is your kid's phone and the kid is about 10 years old, you can set this to 12 plus, and all the apps that has higher age rating will be hidden at that device until you change that option. Also, you can switch it to don't allow to hide all the apps except Apple apps from your device in the same way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Hit the like button if you liked that video and I see you in the next one.